my channel. This is not a third Walgreens haul. I will be bringing you guys that tomorrow, but I went to another side of town and I had to go shopping at Walgreens because I heard all their Easter is 90% off and a lot of their toys that they had around Christmas time is 90% off. So I have a ton, you guys. I have a ton of things to share with you guys what I got, and let's just dig in and share with you guys what I got. Now, I ended up getting more of these Olaf toys. My son has one and he absolutely loves it. It's funny. We have lots of birthday parties to go to in the next couple months. So I thought this would be great.
I am Olaf and I like worm hugs.
To give to kids. So this was originally $29.99. They wanted 30 bucks for this toy. Whoever would spend $30 for a toy is ridiculous. But these were 90% off. The store had this marked down to $12.99. I had them scan it. It rung out as $2.09, I think is what it was ringing up as. I can't remember. So they had two of them. So I couldn't pass it up. I got two of them. So could not pass that up for that price. Now I do get a discount, but the cashier messed up. Like, it was a pain in my butt. It was just ridiculous. I didn't even coupon. I just bought clearance stuff and she messed up my order. So just want to let you guys know on that. I ended up getting a ton of these eggs. I have a ton of these eggs. For Ben's birthday party, it's not until the end of summer, but he wants to have an emoji themed birthday party. And I thought, yeah, you can do that. And then I thought it would be really cool to do an Easter egg hunt for his party. You know, instead of giving a goodie bag, I can have like stickers and tattoos and little things here and there. And I can slowly start shopping for that stuff. So I thought, why not have a Easter egg hunt for his birthday party? Plus, if they don't want, plus I can make tons of wreaths with the eggs. Like, as you guys saw, I did make an Easter egg wreath like a year ago, and I think it's super cute, and I thought, hey, why not make more of those? So I ended up getting a bunch of these. These were originally $2.99, which is still a pretty good deal for multiple eggs, but for $2.99, 90% off, these came out to be 29 cents a piece. So you guys, definitely, if you guys want to stock up on projects, go for it. So they had like this pastels color. So I got those. These are all like messed up. And then I got more of the basic colors. So yeah, I got 4 packs of those at that store. 29 cents. That is a awesome deal. You guys, I have so much stuff. I ended up getting these eggs. I think these eggs are really pretty. They're like the pearl eggs. Now these were originally $1.99, 90% off, making them just 19 cents, which I think is an awesome deal. So I bought like, I think I bought 6 or 8 packs. Ben, when I bought these, he took a pack from me, and I'm just like, no, but then I'm like, eh, whatever. So yeah, I got like 5 of those. And then I got 2 more of those. So I went crazy over those. And if I see more, I'm probably going to get more. I found these outdoor ones with, like, you know, balls and stuff. I thought these were super cute. These would be perfect for his birthday party. And I can even make a wreath out of these if I want to. But these were $1.99. And again, 19 cents. So I got a couple of packs of those. And then I was super excited to find the Emoji Eggs. I didn't think they had them, but for $1.99 and then marked down to 19 cents for 10 of them, I think that is an awesome deal. So I am super excited for his birthday party. I mean, it's not until the beginning of September, but I am just super stoked for having eggs. I mean, his friends are going to be spoiled rotten. And then I think I'm going to have some goodies where they can get full-size prizes and stuff, because the way I've been shopping lately with 90% off, I cannot go wrong with that. So, the next thing I got are these baskets. Yes, I don't know why. I thought they were cute, and I'm like, oh, this would be a cute basket to have. And then I'm like, well, what are the kids going to grab for Ben's birthday party and put their eggs in? I'm like, I'm not sure. And I thought, you know what, this would be a very cute basket to use. This was originally $4.99. 90% off made them just 49 cents a piece. I thought these would be perfect for the kids to have when they go Easter hunting. I mean, and then they could use it for whatever they want. They'll be able to keep these. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 8 baskets, which I think it is great. But we got the pink and yellow one, the green and gold one, and then we also got the blue and green one. So definitely could not pass up on that. Now I wish they had some other baskets, and I wish I got them because I could have bought those for baskets just to give to people. So could not pass up for those. This whole bag is full, you guys, full of Emoji Eggs. I've gone to like 4 different Walgreens stores because I cannot pass up these deals. So Emoji Eggs, we are going to get Emoji Wasted. Oh look, more Emoji Eggs. So I ended up getting more Emoji Eggs and more of the football, baseball, basketball eggs. I just could not pass these deals up, you guys. And then my store had some jump ropes, and they didn't have these marked, but I figured these were 90% off also. So these were just $1.99, you know, so they came out to be just 19 cents a piece. I thought that'd be a great little jump rope to have for the kids whenever somebody comes over and plays. Now I did find 90% off of toys. Now I looked all over the place. You have to like really walk all over the place to find some deals. Well, they had these Barbies marked at 70% off. And I says, I bet you 2 out of 1 they didn't mark these down to 90% off. So then when she scanned one, it said it was 69 cents. And I'm like, 69 cents? Yes. I'm like, I'm going to go get back more. So I got these Barbies for 69 cents. So this I think is Nikki, I think is what her name is or something. I don't know. But I got that one. And some of these are like coming loose, but just some tape can fix it right up. So I got a Barbie. And these are toys that I'm giving away to people, you know, giving them for birthday parties. I'm giving them away. I'm going to probably do Toys for Tots this year. I'm super excited. Another Barbie. And then we got, I don't know her name either. I wish they'd have their names on here. The receipt had it, but got that Barbie. And I still have more. And then my son saw this. It's like a little, it says Hap Go Fluff. I think it's like a bubble kit, and there is bubbles in it. This was $1.99, so I got this for just 19 cents. I thought that was super cute, a little egg for the bubbles. So I'm just gonna put all this stuff back here because I'm just gonna go crazy for you guys. And definitely check out your guys' store. If you have to have them price scan stuff, have them price scan stuff because some of the stuff is not marked. I'm just letting you guys know. I ended up getting more Emoji Eggs because, like I said, I'm going crazy. I am super, super excited for his birthday party, and I plan usually a year in advance. I was thinking of doing some golden eggs for the kids. I don't know if I'm gonna hide these, but I'm gonna let one kid get a golden egg. So I just grabbed whatever I saw. But these were $1.99, so I got these for 19 cents, and I got 4 of them in this bag. So I think it'd be kind of cute for them to have like a bigger size item. So I'm gonna be on a hunt to find stuff for that. More Emoji Eggs, you guys. I know, I'm going crazy over the Emoji Eggs, but I don't know if I'm just gonna do all Emoji Eggs or I'm gonna add some colors to it, but you can't go wrong for 19-cent eggs, and I get additional 25% off the Walgreens brand stuff. Another bag for you guys. My son wanted the Oh Poop. I think this is hilarious, but you know, it's an Easter Bunny poop guy, and then he had like poop come out of his butt, so I thought that was super cute. So I got that. This was like $1. I got another Barbie, and this one is coming apart, but I don't care. For 69 cents, another Barbie. And then I got the purple, what color is her dress? Pink? Pink. And then another Barbie. And then they had this marked for 70% off, and I says, I bet you this is going to be 90% off too. So this is just a Spider-Man Again, he was 69 cents, so I had to get that. And then I've been eyeing these toys like crazy. I was super excited to find these, but they make a lot of noise. Like the whole way home, they were making noise, and I don't know if there is an on and off switch. I don't know if these ones are dead or not, but I could not pass these up. I have birthday parties to go to for little kids, and I thought these are super cute. So these were 69 cents. I gotta figure out how to shut this off. Some of these were going off like crazy, but 69 cents. This one's backwards. Oh. There we go. I'm gonna shut those bad boys off. So, Mickey and Minnie, and I got 9 of these. 9 of them. So there's 3 right there, and then this whole bag is full of them, which I know now to shut these things off. I didn't know they had an on and off switch, but I got 9 more, so I thought those would be perfect to have for kids. Even Ben said he wanted to play one. They're for 12 months and up, but I think they'd be super cute to play. And we're going to Disney, so why not get all excited about Disney? Just bought my tickets today. We're just going for one day, but hey, that's okay. What else do I got for you guys? I got another bag. Look at this. These are more eggs. No, I already showed you guys this bag. I'm sorry, I showed you guys this bag already. But I do have a box. I put some stuff in this box to hide from Ben. But I did have another bag full of other stuff, and I don't know what I did with it. I'm going to have to find that other bag. I would have to find it for you guys. But I ended up getting these like Dimond Eggs. These were 19 cents. So I thought those were super cute. So I got those. I got another iridescent one. And then I got tons more packs of the 48 pack? There's 46 in a pack. So I got tons more. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 packs of those. So let me find what my other missing bag, and I'll be right back. I found my last bag. Now some of this stuff was 90% at one of my stores on Sunday when I went. I wanted to show you guys, but I wanted to wait till more stores hit. But I ended up finding these like Pa color cups. Now I was super excited to get these because these are so easy, and why not? These were 90% off, so I got these for 29 cents. 29 cents. I just grabbed them. I didn't care, but I got 2 of them for 29 cents. I got 3 more golden eggs. And then I found this little beauty blending brush or sponge. This was just 29 cents. I thought that was super cute. It was a little bunny. And then the last items I got were the deluxe eggs for dyeing. So I'm going to definitely put these to the side because the ones I got last year, Ben took, and he like ripped them apart, and it was just like, kid, why? So, but now I got more storage to put some of this stuff in, so I'm super excited. I'm excited to share with you guys all the stuff I got. I can't even tell you how much I paid. I barely even paid anything because I just been paying with points. Points. So, yeah, that was my haul. I went Easter egg crazy, but I plan on making a lot of wreaths next year. I really want to pursue in making wreaths. I mean, you guys see me make them all the time, but if I can't have a kid, then I actually want to pursue in making wreaths because why not? Why not? It's super fun to make, it's relaxing for me, and it's another job of stuff I can do to keep me busy and just something to do at home. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys got. And remember, if you guys aren't sure, have them price check it. I know some stores don't like that, but hey, you can't pass up 90% off. So I was super excited to share with you guys the deals that I got. So definitely check your store, check another store if you guys can. And I just want to say thanks to each and every one of you. Thank you guys for watching. One thing I do want to mention, if you guys have watched it this far, I just started a new Facebook, a personal Facebook page. Not a page, but it's like a personal Facebook thing. So you guys can add me as a friend. I did make a video saying be on my Ibotta team. If you guys want to be on my team to hit every level that I usually hit, usually you guys have to do it to have teammates, you know, unless you're really good. But definitely friend request me, and then you guys can be on the same Ibotta team as me. I'm so excited. So yes, and if you guys added me as a friend and you guys haven't seen me, just disconnect your Ibotta and reconnect to your Facebook account and you guys will see me. But just wanted to let you guys know on that, and I will see you guys all later. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye!